is Beyond the Veil with Miss Flame. And I'm Miss Flame for those who doesn't know me. I'm the host. And today's topic will be about not to underestimate yourself. You can do anything you put your mind to. So, guys, I'm gonna dive into this topic today in this video, and I will start by saying you've been doubting yourself for too long, thinking that maybe you're not enough, that maybe others are chosen, and you just watching life pass by. But the truth is, you were never behind. You were becoming. The reason it feels heavy isn't because you are weak. It's because you breaking out of the limit that you built yourself in your mind. Sometimes we set ourselves limits and then we got frustrated when things are not working out as we thought it would be. And the world mirrors your belief. The things that you thought, the world is mirroring those beliefs back unto you. And when you underestimate yourself, everything around you becomes smaller too. You've been trained to shrink, to stay humble, quiet, and sometimes unseen. But the power that's in you has been waiting not to permission but to be recognized. And once you realize that your mind is the gateway to your spirituality and your reality, you'll see that every dream you ever had wasn't a fantasy. It was a memory of your potential. Everything starts with a single thought. I can do this. Then action. Then faith. Then results. Your mind is the engine. Your belief is the key. Your consistency is the fire. So stop doubting what's already yours. Stop giving your fears more attention than your vision. You can do anything you put your mind to because the universe responds to energy, not excuses. You are not behind. You are becoming what you want to be in life. And this time, you rise because you finally choose to believe. So, people, believe in yourself and start small because everything small will become to something big, and every thought will become something. People with higher experiences of successfulness were once or had once also a thought, and that thought has arise into something that they need to do physically. And so that is why they have succeeded in life because of consistency, something that someone has made them feel small of. It couldn't survive, it could not exist, and things will not work out. But every action, no matter how small, how little, how big, every action you take will have consequences. And if it is good, it will have a good consequence. And if it is bad, it will have bad consequences. So start with little, start small, and start believing in yourself. You're powerful beyond measure. The only thing that ever stood in your way was doubt. It's time to move. It's time to take action. So, people, stop doubting yourself. You are powerful beyond measure. And you, my friend, can do anything. So, start to believe in yourself because you are your own God. For those who doesn't know me, I'm Miss Flame and I'm the host, and this is my channel Beyond the Veil with Miss Flame. So guys, like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you will be the first to know when there is another video on the way. So guys, I'm out. One love.